Praise be to thee, Lord. Learn MLM business through these YouTube channel videos. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, that is MLM business or direct selling, is a new business model that relies on a network of who use the products themselves, sponsor new members, and provide service to their team. This is called the 3S formula of the triangle in network marketing business. Network marketing or MLM offers low investment and flexible business ownership, allowing individuals to earn unlimited income based on their efforts and team performance. Key benefits include residual income, personal growth, mentoring, and a supportive community often accessible without formal qualifications or prior experience. For more details, kindly send a WhatsApp message to the number 9566475322. Thanks for your like, share, subscribe and comments.